This session is really exciting because we are going to learn the next letter of the Persian alphabet. Listen. What's the sound outside? Can you hear it too? It's the sound of wind. Who knows what wind means in Persian? Bad. Look at my mouth. Bad. Bad. The wind means bad in Persian. It's really cold outside. I think we would have snow tonight. Do you know what the snow means in Persian? Barf. Look at my mouth. Barf. Barf. Snow means barf. Wind means bad. Did you realize that they both start with the sound b? It's like what B sounds in English. B. B. It's the second Persian letter. Now, let's go to the fun part and see how we write B down. Go grab your paper and pencils. Now look here. Look here. It's what it really looks like. Now, look here. When I want to start to write down B, I put the tip of my pen or pencil a little above the line. If you remember, go back. Yes, we write from right to left. Now, look here. Here, a little above the line, I put my pen, draw a little line until I reach this line, and then a little bit straight. And a dot here, and I'm done. It's the lowercase b. Lowercase b, or small b. Now, like before, we have capital and small. This one was a small or lowercase. Now let's go and see how we write down the capital one. Just like the other one, how did I start it? I put my pencil here. I draw a little line until I reach this one. Draw a straight line up to here. And then again, a little go up and again the dots. It's pretty easy, isn't it? And it is how it will look like. Did you see that? It's really easy. Now we go to practices. You have 2 practices, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss next session. Now for the practice, write 2 pages, one full of lowercase b and the other one full of capital B. After you did it, write down in the comments below, I did it, or I'm done. Now I would know that you did it. And the next practice is to say bad and barf instead of saying wind and snow. It was so fun this session with you guys, and we're happy that we learned another alphabet letter. I will see you next session. Until then, bye!